Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I share videos on the latest tech and helpful tips. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Fixing a cylinder misfire can range from a swift, minor adjustment taking mere minutes to a complex, engine-out repair spanning several days, making a precise time estimate highly variable. The initial step is always diagnosis, which itself can take anywhere from 15 minutes to several hours. A basic OBD-II scan to pull trouble codes might be quick, but pinpointing the exact cause often requires further investigation like visual inspections, checking spark plug condition, testing ignition coils, fuel pressure tests, vacuum leak checks, or even compression and leak down tests. If the issue is a simple one, such as a faulty spark plug or an ignition coil, the repair can be relatively fast. Replacing a single spark plug typically takes 15 to 30 minutes, assuming easy access. A single ignition coil replacement is similarly quick, often 30 to 60 minutes. Spark plug wires, if applicable, fall into the same time frame. A clogged fuel injector might be remedied with a fuel system cleaner, which is not an immediate fix but a preventative measure, or a direct replacement, which can take 1 to 2 hours for an individual injector, depending on its location and accessibility. A minor vacuum leak might be found and sealed within an hour if it's an easily visible hose. However, if the misfire stems from more involved components, the repair time increases significantly. Replacing a mass airflow, MAF, sensor or an oxygen, O2, sensor usually takes 30 to 90 minutes, though seized O2 sensors can prolong this. An exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, valve cleaning or replacement often requires 1 to 2 hours. A failing fuel pump or fuel filter could take 1 to 3 hours. Especially if the fuel tank needs to be dropped. The most time-consuming and expensive misfire causes are those related to internal engine components, such as low compression due to worn piston rings, a burnt valve, or a blown head gasket. Diagnosing these can take several hours, e.g., 1 to 2 hours for a compression test, another 1 to 2 for a leak-down test. The actual repair, like replacing a head gasket, is a major undertaking that can easily take 8 to 15 hours of labor, potentially stretching over multiple days once parts are ordered and the engine is partially disassembled. Furthermore, issues with the engine control unit, ECU, can also cause misfires, and while replacement might take a few hours, programming and relearning procedures add to the overall time. Factors like the specific vehicle make and model, engine configuration, the mechanic's experience, and parts availability all play crucial roles in the total time required. Therefore, while a misfire could be fixed in under an hour for simple causes, it's not uncommon for diagnosis and repair to span several hours, or even days for severe underlying engine problems. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing for more automotive insights.